Hi, this is Andy from Modern Muscle Cars here again. I wanted to show you a couple of our Backdraft Cobras. We have this Mexico Blue Cobra that just came in. This unit does not have our Big and Tall edition, so I'm going to show you how I fit in this Cobra. Then we're going to go to our Ruby Red Cobra, which has been converted to our Big and Tall edition. So I'm going to go ahead and get in this one right now, and we're going to show you how we fit, or rather how we don't fit, inside the Backdraft Cobra. As you can see, we're now inside this Backdraft Cobra. This is not our Big and Tall edition. The big problem I have is obviously my foot is on the gas, my knee is up against the dash. My left leg in the resting position, my knee is rested against the door. It's not comfortable at all. And it's very difficult to try and get my foot swung around enough to get onto the clutch pedal. With the way this is designed, they're just not built for big guys. Now we're going to show you the difference between the fit in this car versus the fit in our Big and Tall edition. As you can see now, we're sitting in our Big and Tall edition. Huge difference. On the standard fit, my knee was up against the dash, resting it just barely on the gas pedal. As you can see in this one, I'm on the gas pedal. We've got at least an inch or an inch and a half of room. But the big difference is because of our recessed footwell, you'll see that when I put my foot on the clutch, I've got at least an inch, maybe more, of room between my knee and hitting the door. Whereas on the standard fit, you couldn't even do that. There's plenty of room with the recessed footwell now to move your feet around comfortably, get on and off the gas, on and off of the clutch. Makes a huge difference in the drivability of the car, as well as the seat position is a little bit more upright. It sits a little bit lower, and with the way that we've cut these cushions now on the seats, you'll see that don't have the seat coming up and hitting you right under your hip bones. It's actually a much flatter fit, much more comfortable to just sit in and drive. The drivability of this car is night and day to a standard fit Cobra for anybody that's bigger than about 5'10" or bigger than a 34-inch waist. I am 6'2", about 300 pounds, and now in this car, I fit super comfortable, and it's really a blast to drive and enjoy. Come on down and see us at Modern Muscle Cars. Look us up on the web at ocalamuscle.com, and let us help you design your own custom fit, Backdraft, or Superformance Cobra.